Hey, what's up mga bro? Since most of you are asking about Esta Oro or Esta Poro, so I will be talking about that in this video. Let's go. So disclaimer lang that I only have here right now is one and only Esta Oro na lang, which is because I sell Esta Poro. Later on, we'll talk about why I sell that one. But as far as I can say, alam na alam ko yung scent tsaka performance pa rin ng isang Esta Puro. Okay? Let's go! Okay, let's first talk about the scent of each of these perfumes. So let's go first with Esta Poro. So ang isang Esta Poro smells like one thing lang i-describe ko, which is amoy pahinog na mangga. Yung color green, yellow, parang ganon. Andun yung pagka-creamy ng pagka-mango niya, but it has a hint of konting saltiness lang, giving it a much more smooth and creamy mango scent to that kind of perfume. Meanwhile, itong sa Esta Oro naman, amoy synthetic na sweet na mango na color yellow. If you ask me, ano amoy ng synthetic? Bro, tabok lang na munding Gimaras or kabilang bakod lang namin yung Gimaras. So, I know kung ano yung amoy ng authentic na mangga sa synthetic na mangga. Okay? And then, let's talk about naman yung performance ng dalawa. So, actually, yung performance nila hindi nagkakalayo. So, for longevity, it can last up to minimum of 8 hours on my skin. Based on my own experience po to ha. I don't know lang with others. But for me, it lasts for like a minimum of 8 hours. And can last up to 12 sometimes. Depende sa activity na ginagawa nyo. But for me, it is because I am in air-conditioned area or setting. That's why maybe it can last sometimes 12 hours on my skin. But minimum for me lang talaga yung 8 hours. And then for projection naman, may konting difference lang itong si Esta Oro compared to Puro, but both are beast mode. Okay? Talagang umaalingasaw yung pabango or yung scent niya to the whole room. Based on my experience, mas lamang lang talaga yung pagka-projection tsaka sillage nitong Esta Oro. Kasi I don't know, maybe because of very sweet or synthetic yung pagkamangga nito. I just don't know, but that's in my experience. So let's have a final verdict or overall summary about Esta Oro versus Esta Poro. So again and again, for scent wise, I will always choose Esta Poro. But if like performance wise, this one outperforms Esta Poro in terms of like beast mode, longevity. This one performs more compared with Esta Poro, but still both perfumes are beast mode on their own. And to answer the question why I sold out my Esta Poro is that my friend loved it, and because friend ko siya and he is not into actually perfumes, but might be kasi he's planning to reorder again a new scent. Okay, that's why. So, it's, it's friends. Parang ganon. Would I buy Esta Puro soon? Maybe. We don't know lang. Kasi for now, medyo same lang din naman silang mangga, but I far enjoyed din naman yung Esta Oro. And I don't want to at least duplicate na my perfumes. That's why hindi na muna siguro ako bibili. And I am planning right now to buy Mexican Bronco, which is a dupe of Sergio Naxos. So, yeah. And I think that's it lang for video kasi nagsinggit na dito si mama nakin kasi kakain na ako. Goodbye!